How to fix Gcash app authentication failed issue. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Gcash app authentication failed issue. To watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, open settings on your Android phone. Move towards or scroll and locate apps and open apps. Select app management at top. You can manually scroll and locate Gcash, or you can tap on the search icon or bar at top of the screen and search Gcash. Open app info section of Gcash by tapping on it and make sure to allow all the notifications of Gcash. You need to tap storage uses and clear the data and cache of Gcash. Further, tap open by default and toggle on button for open supported links. Come back again and tap battery uses to tap force stop and force stop the application. Exit from settings, and you need to make sure that your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch between mobile data. Further, also you can toggle on the button for airplane mode and then toggle it off again after 1 or 2 seconds. Once it is done, you need to check for the updates of Gcash by opening Play Store. Search for Gcash. If there is update button, tap on update and update the application to the latest version. Finally, you need to restart the device and your Gcash app authentication failed error will be fixed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.